Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Nelson. Welcome to T.O.'s Auto. Today I'm driving 99 Mazda Miata. Hey, you guys liking the video? Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Let's try and get 20 likes on this video. Let's try and get 20 likes in one day. Ooh, she sounds so good. This is our bumpy road. Woo! You can feel it. See how it feels in this big old bump? Not bad. I didn't hear any suspension noises. Oh my God, it's so bumpy. The car does have low pro tires. Driving this car for like 2 months, maybe 3 months, and it's been a blast. But driving with the top up is really cool. You feel so secluded, you feel so isolated that it feels like you're very private in here. Top down, everyone's looking at you, or at least you feel like it is. No one's looking at you. But with the top up, I mean, it just like someone's looking at you and it doesn't matter. They can't see you. That's just how I feel. And I really like the feeling. That's the whole thing this car is. This car is just a feeling. All right, let's do it. What a rush! Oh. I've never done that. But man, this thing sounds so good. Woo! That was awesome. Come on, baby. Woo! This car just goes. This ain't no Honda. Woo! So, 5 owners on the Mazda Miata. You can see 17 years, 10 months, 3 years. And that is actually pretty common on a Mazda Miata just because they're so small. Lifestyles change. People have kids, sell cars, this and that. So sometimes you see these with a little bit more owners, but don't be afraid of that. 146,000 miles original. And this is a very, very good Carfax. It's pretty hard pulls. The Miata is doing really well. It's idling just about perfect. Temperature's perfect. Yeah, it's doing really good. So the clutch is doing really well for this car. It feels nice and stiff. It lets off about maybe like half, so it does take a little bit of adjusting to get to. I don't have any sun visors. No sun visors on this Miata. They're kind of more of in the way, especially when you're opening and closing the top. This light right here is working. Has a speaker here for the radio, and you can see it's really complete. It's a super complete Miata. Everything is there, everything is here. If you're just driving it nice and slow and normal, I mean, mean? It's beautiful. There's no noises in the clutch, no cracking, no popping. The gear's not popping out. It's a really short shift. Oh, I think I put it in the wrong gear. It's a really small shift, which is really cool. Just go chink like that, ping, ping, and it's perfect. I actually love it. I'm so used to it now. But man, this Miata is just gorgeous. I actually just redid the soft top, so the soft top is brand new. There's a little bit of water coming in, seeping into these sides, some insulation, some more rubber seals, and putting it alongside. I love the Nardi steering wheel too, and it has a leather wrap on it. Makes it look really nice. Also love this Nardi shifter. It's just badass. 175. And it's doing really well. The alignment's just about perfect. $80 miles an hour, it's perfect. The alignment's good, the wheel's not shaky. Brakes are perfect. I just slammed on my brakes, slowed all the way down to 65 from 80. Woo! So slamming on the brakes, very nice. Even though I think the guy right behind me almost crashed into me. Come on, guy. There he goes. So this shifter is really nice, really enjoyable, has a little bit of movement, but if you don't touch it or nothing like that, it's like nothing's even happening. It's actually normal for it to move too. The steering is nice and tight, has this leather wrap red stitching steering, which is really nice. It's a little loose, you know, but I actually do like it a lot. It's perfectly functional and it's not ripped or bruised up. I also know the AC is working. Let's turn that on for now. Turn it to AC down here, and then just hit boom. When that lights up green, means the AC is working. And I gotta adjust it. So right now I have it to the feet. So move this right here to the face. And there it is, and I can feel the AC, it's nice and cold. So it's important to check everything out. And so far we've been driving this car for a while now, for over 20 minutes, and it seems to be very reliable. I don't hear any suspension noise, even though it's super bumpy in here. It's just such a small car. It's got low pro tires and you just feel everything. Like, comment, subscribe. Performance wise, it's holding up good. There is really no suspension noise that I hear, but it is really bumpy. I'm gonna blame it a little bit on the tires, but also the stance of the car, how small the car is. That was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.